Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this trading platform to able to decide which of these trading platform, which is Moomoo and Questrade, will be a better choice for you. So let's quickly dive into it. Moomoo is a modern trading app designed for cost-conscious and active investor. It offers commission-free stock and ETF trades, paper trading for practice, and feature-rich mobile experience with in-depth chart and real-time data. Pros include powerful research tools, transparent low fee, and an intuitive app. However, cons are that per share fee on large trade can add on, currency conversion are costly, and some features are limited outside the app. Questrade, on the other hand, is one of the Canadian most established broker, now offering commission-free stock and ETF trade. Advanced platforms like Questrade Edge and a wide range of accounts, including RRSPs and TFASA. Now, talking about the pros, it include ETF purchases, strong reliability, broker investment option beyond stocks. And talking about the downside, the data pack can cost extra. International trade can be pricey, and the interface feels less modern compared to newer app. So in conclusion, Moomoo is better for tech-savvy beginners and mobile trader, while Questrade suits long-time investors wanting stability and a broader account options. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.